Hello kids, today we will draw a triangle sandwich. So let's start. First draw a straight line, then make it like a L shape. Now connect it, and make it like a pyramid. To watch more drawing video, click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it is looking. Now draw a line, like this. And look, we complete the sandwich. Good job! Now draw the cheese. Draw a wavy line. Just draw like me, and it's done. It's looking very great. Now let's draw the meat patty. First draw a curved line, then draw a long line, and connect it. Well done! Look how tasty it's looking. Now let's draw the veg. Draw some half circles, and make some tomatoes. Just draw some half circles, and look how cute it's looking. Lastly, draw some cabbage. Draw some very wavy and curvy lines. Just draw step by step, and you won't make any mistakes. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. And it's done. Well done, it's looking very delicious. Now draw a cute face. First draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Draw the other eye, just like this. First draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Don't forget to draw a cute and happy smile. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use skin color and color the bread. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Just color up and down, up and down, up and down, and slowly fill the color. Make sure not to color the eye. Just color like me, and it's done. Just color step by step, and you won't make any mistakes. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now use brown color and color the bread side. Color the long square, and it's done. Well done! Now let's color the cheese. Use yellow color and color the cheese. Color the wavy part carefully. Good job! Now use dark brown color and color the meat patty. Color very slowly and don't make any mistake. Well done! It's looking very cute. Now let's draw the tomatoes. Use red color and color the half circles. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Just color step by step, then you will not make any mistake. Good job! Look how beautiful it's looking. Lastly, use green color and color the cabbages. Color carefully on wavy parts, and look how cute it's looking. Color all the veggies. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Lastly, use white color and draw circles on the eyes. Make a big and a small circle. Well done! Now draw a circle on the other eye also. Good job! Now draw some lines on the bread. Draw lines also on the bread side. Lastly, make some curved lines on the tomatoes. Good job! We complete the triangle sandwich. Look how delicious and tasty it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.